Hello everyone, my name is Sancha Espanyol Tan, and in this video, I will show you how I create my DIY 10-frame matte manipulatives. I hope you will enjoy! So the materials that I'm going to use are ruler, scissor, glue, pencil, double-sided tape, marker, an empty container of clay dough, construction papers, bond paper, and a long blue folder. And now our frame is ready to be used. This is simple and easy to make, and the frame can be used in many different ways. For example, you are teaching skip counting, you can put all the numbers on the frame while your child learns that particular skipping pattern. And once they have mastered that, you can remove some of the numbers and they can find the missing numbers and add into the frame. And you can also do matching or patterns if you have a child that is learning patterns. Like this. You can do also equations if you have an older child starting to add or subtract. For example, 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. And that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you and bye!